Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here three different alkenes are there. PQR. P is bromine and chlorine on same side. Q is bromine and chlorine on opposite side. R is geminal bromine and chlorine. You got to find order of coupling constant from the proton and NMR spectra. Here the coupling constant means better overlap of orbital. It's difficult to imagine from the simple one. You have to use the Karplus equation. That equation says that trans coupling has more than cis coupling. So the dihedral angle decides the coupling there. We have to basically find the dihedral coupling where the hydrogen is there. In P hydrogens are cis, in Q hydrogens are trans, R is hydrogen are geminal. According to the Karplus equation, Q has more high coupling constant because it is in trans form. Trans form you can imagine from the orbital because the orbitals are opposite each other. It is like opposite electron coupling. Opposite electron spin will couple easily. The P is cis one, so it has less coupling. The R is very least one because the coupling is very rare because of the bond angle. So the order will be Q, P and R. Here the concept you have to learn here is trans hydrogen coupled better than the cis hydrogen. So the coupling constant of trans hydrogen is higher. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.